Sup, it's Indy. Do you like my backyard? Just kidding, this is a horrible green screen. Today we're gonna go over what it's like to make a vision board, how you can make a vision board, what I do when I make my vision boards, and we're also gonna look for some cool pictures together so you can kind of see the process. All right, making a vision board doesn't have rules per se, but there are some ways to go about it that are better than others. Now, these are all examples of not so great vision boards. This one is just a mess. Like, what is even going on here? It doesn't look very inspiring. And other things like this one, again, it's kind of hard to get a good idea of what's on it. So you want it to be very clean and organized. And if you have to reduce the number of things that are on it, then you should probably do that. Another thing that you do not want to have on your vision board are things that are opposite what you want. So let's say you want to put money on your vision board. You want to get out of debt, particularly. Do not put this, for example, on your vision board because it has the word debt in it. And what you see, what you pay attention to, you'll find more of. So what you should do is avoid anything that has the word debt and rather pick something like a handful of cash or a screenshot of a bank statement that has a lot of money in it. Works better than including any indication of something that you don't want. So I give you a little bit of a brief overview of the things that I would want on my vision board or what I have already. So let's see if we can find something. What I really want to put on it is a Spanish style house in Los Angeles. I cannot type. So I thought I wanted Mediterranean, but I actually want Spanish style. There's a difference. Ooh, okay. Ooh, I love this courtyard here. Ooh, I like that. I was just looking at it because I was observing the fact that the pool kind of looks green, but I think that's nice. I love the greenery. Of course, you can always save things that do inspire you a little bit, and you don't have to put them on your board, but they will be in a folder for you to refer to, so you can find them again later if you decide, actually, yeah, that was what I wanted, so I'm actually gonna do that. I'm not feeling super excited about any of these particular photos, but keep looking. See, this is why it takes so long to make a vision board. You really can't just rush through it and only pick things that like kind of look good to you. They have to really resonate with you. Perfect. So you wanna make these big. Well, you don't have to, but I like to make them big so that when I cut them out, I can see them from a little bit of a distance. I'm so sick of having a tiny closet with horrible clothes. Ooh, I need a stylist. Okay, that's cool. What I definitely want is an invite to the Met Gala. So. Ooh, Alexander McQueen invite. Your cheat sheet to the Met? What is that? Well, I like that picture anyway. So, where did it go? There it is. I should have just copied it. There, okay. The last thing. Perfect. Make it a little smaller. No, it's not gonna fit anyway. Find one picture of the actual gala. Okay. It just looks so fab. So fab. Ooh, wow. Dang. Dang, how can I look like that? Outfits are just absolutely ridiculous. I'm just gonna do it. It's fine. It's small. I'll see if I can find a bigger one later. Oh. Okay. Let me tell you, you don't have to only pick photos that have no one in them or have you in them. If it has somebody else in it, that's perfectly fine, because you can think of it like you are standing, for example, on the red carpet and you're looking at Zendaya here. That's how I see this picture, and it really brings up my energy because she looks so cool. Look at her expression. She's like, this photo and my heart kind of stopped again too. I think Zendaya is great, but yeah, no, that photo is A1. Oh, this house. I searched for so long to find these two houses, or these two pictures rather. I'm not sure if this is the same house, but I love this. I love the glass entryway, and I think just the location and the driveway, it's just perfect. And then of course I love the glass walls here, but I can only really have those in like a cloudy place because too much sunlight is no good. And Oscar, this is a very far off, well, I won't say that, but I would love to win an Oscar at some point in my life, and I intend to do my best to achieve it, so yeah. But remember, like a combination of distant goals and really attainable goals. This TEDx one is another one for me that I could probably achieve within the next year or two, because you can pay to be on TEDx. It's not cheap, I don't think, but it is something that you can do. And although I'd love to be invited, if I need to pay for it, I will, just to check it off of my vision board here. So what I also have, if you scroll down, I have some manifestation pages that were copied from a book, which I will print out and put on there too. Okay, whatever, it's fine. No, that's that. Thanks for watching. I hope this was inspiring to you, and I hope this gives you a little bit more direction when it comes to making your vision board. Take your time, find pictures that really resonate with you, and print them out or put them somewhere where you'll definitely look at them at least a few times a day. Don't hide them away in your phone camera roll or whatever. I will see you next time. Comment below what you're going to put on your vision board. Thanks for watching.